So what you can do is you can click anywhere on the screen, and then it will open up the launcher. And then these are all the applications so far with included. Everything runs at ring 0 right now, and that's what I'm trying to do right now is get things running at ring 3. And everything is single threaded except the fake Bitcoin miner, which actually takes advantage of multiple threads. So we have system status, which gives the status of the keyboard. Like if I hold shift down, it will change it, or caps lock or whatever. We have the real-time clock, which is just an upward ticking thing. It ticks every 1024 10/24th of a second, or at 1024 hertz. How much RAM is used? I have QEMU set at 1 gigabyte, so it's using only 73 megabytes of that. This is where the mouse cursor is on the screen, and then if you're clicking, it will tell you, or right-clicking, and I'm on a Mac, so I don't have middle click right now. And if you click anywhere else, it will open up the launcher. And the key thing here is that when you click on a program to launch, it will launch where the launcher is. And then this is a system log. I need to actually change this. So originally, I actually randomly named, I have a random number generator that chooses from a word list, and would name the operating system based on that. Now I need to remove that and make this BoksOS. Screen resolution is in long mode. This should always be true. This is a 64-bit operating system. In fact, come to think of it, I should emphasize that on the website. Kilobytes used on startup. I mean, this is not much different than this. I think. This is slightly different. I forgot what this measures, and this is some other debug information. This is the frame buffer, virtual address, etc. And then what else do we have? We have the calculator, which is an integer calculator. It doesn't do a floating point or decimal point right now. Do 4 plus 5, and then we get 9. And it also supports hexadecimal. You have to prepend everything with an OX, and it will give the. Oh, I even know that it would do that. I just randomly hit that. I didn't know it would be FF. And actually, interestingly enough, you can select make it decimal and then perform the same calculation. And then it will spit out 255. So it's interesting. And then I have the fake Bitcoin miner. And what this is basically, it is I took a real mined block and from a couple months ago, and I wrote a quote-unquote Bitcoin miner to mine that block. And this is the only application that uses multiple threads right now. And one of the things I wanted to kind of demonstrate with this was that this is running on bare metal with no scheduler. So I had written a blog post. I should actually link that to my website. But I wrote a blog post about this, and basically was comparing this to a user space version in Linux, and it did run. It did run faster. Not much faster, honestly. I think on the first run it ran a lot faster, and then on the second run, you had diminishing returns. But with something with like, I guess, a Bitcoin miner, you're not going to be mining the same thing over and over again. You're going to be changing it as time goes on. So it's an interesting thing. And then the last thing is our profiler. I have different sections, and it will tell you how many cycles each section takes and approximately how long each section takes. I haven't been glancing at this as much as I should right now, but this is definitely useful to have from day